Hello everyone, welcome back to the forge. Now for today's project we're going to be doing two different styles of drive hook. The steel I'm going to start with here is 1/4 inch square stock, and I've cut these pieces to 7 inches. So let's go ahead and get the forge lit up, get them tossed in, and get to work. Now if you want for this, you can forge this out into a long taper, but I'm not going to be doing that for this project. I'm just going to come here to the end of the steel over close to the edge of the anvil. Like that right there. Alright, now we're going to form the scroll portion on the end of our hook here. You can scroll these over the horn of an anvil, but building a bending jig is really easy, and it gives you nice consistent results. Alright, now we're going to forge out our point portion right here. Start rounding up our hook portion here, or our nail portion. Alright, now this is where these two hooks are going to differ at. This one, we're going to come up to about right here and start forging over the nail portion of our drive hook. Now this one, instead of just folding it straight over, we're going to fold it over and all the way flat with the back here. going to go ahead and throw a quick twist in this one. And for the most part, this one right now is finished up. You can hit it with a wire brush some. See if I can get it in better focus here. Hit it with a wire brush and clean it up. Coat it with some beeswax or some oil linseed oil or something like that. But for the most part, it's finished. Alright, we're going to twist it just like we did the other one. Alright, there's our two drive hook styles. This one has a little head here to hammer on. This one just hammer on the straight shaft portion of it. Turned out pretty good. The true test will be when I hammer them into the post here in a minute. It's a pretty easy beginner project, and the reason I've been showing a lot of hooks here on the channel lately is because this is a good way to get into making some money to buy better equipment and better things, especially if you're starting out. These are not super hard to make. You can make these on a coal forge as well as a gas forge. With a simple bending jig. I bought these, but looking back at it, when I bought them when I first started out, I could have easily just have made these. A couple of pieces of round stock clamped in a vise would work. So let's hammer these into the post and see how well they work. That one went in pretty well. Let's go hang the other one and see how well it works out. Alright, they both nailed in really well. This is how the one with the little head that you hammer on looks. Let's go in there and take a look at the one with just the straight shaft. Alright, there's how that one turned out. They ought to work real well to hang jackets, aprons, whatever else on. With that being said, I appreciate you watching. If you would, hit that subscribe button down below, ring the notification bell to notify me of this content as it posts. I hope to be getting these little simple blacksmithing for beginners projects out every week if I can, as well as the other bigger projects and knife making and stuff like that. Hoping to get to making some tongs pretty soon. I need some new ones. I appreciate you watching. You have a good one. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.